Hi guys, I'm Riley. I'm 23 and today I'm going to do a full face of e.l.f. I got a ton of new products from e.l.f. so I'll be showing you what I got and some products I've already had that I love already. Please subscribe down below. My hair is looking a bit crazy because I'm doing the robe curls. So I'll let sit it while I do my makeup. I ordered a huge box from e.l.f. and I got all of this stuff, so I thought I'd do a little try out makeup video. I got a bunch of stuff. First thing I got was this e.l.f. Putty Primer Trio. I think I got this for free because I spent more than $40. So it's just like the mini ones, luminous, matte, and poreless. So cute, tiny. I'll probably use these as travel ones. I already put some of the poreless putty primer here and here. Okay. Next item I got was the e.l.f. Hydrating Primer Serum. So I'm gonna try this out. This is it. Put a little my hand. It doesn't have a scent. It's very lightweight, but it's definitely hydrating. I like the texture of it. It's like a gel serum. I feel very plump and hydrated. Got this mint melt brush set. I'm gonna pop that open. These 3 brushes, and I'll try them out during my eyeshadow today. I also got the e.l.f. Total Face Sponge. My eyeshadow first, and we're gonna use this, which is the e.l.f. Bite Size eyeshadow in I Love You Latte. It's all mattes, nude mattes. Prime my eyelids with concealer. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I'm gonna use all e.l.f. Some of the stuff I've already had, so this I've already had, so I didn't buy, but it's from e.l.f. I really like it. I'm gonna blend that in. Then I'm just gonna use this. I need to wet it still. I forgot how much stuff I ordered, and I just got a ton of stuff to try. I'm trying to open this without breaking my nails. I'm going to take this new brush, mint brush, flat shade, and just go in with this color, lightest one. Put that all over my eyelid. I really thought today was Saturday, but it's just Friday. This weekend we're going to a Christmas tree farm and cutting down our own Christmas tree. We're just gonna get a small one for a room because we have a fake one for the living room, but I like to have a small real one. I like the smell of Christmas. I'm gonna go in with this brush, this shade right next to the lightest one. I'm gonna blend that in my crease. I've not done any Christmas shopping for anyone yet. I need to get on that. Has anyone already finished? Because good for you if you have. I need to do that this weekend. Order stuff for people. I'm using the fluffy brush to blend it all out. So I watched like 10 minutes of The Polar Express last night. I love that movie. Favorite Christmas movie ever is Christmas Vacation. National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. It is just so funny. I watched that like every Christmas at least twice. I'm gonna go in with the darkest shade. Just put that in the outside corner of my eyelids. Stella's gonna come with us to the Christmas tree cutting because they allow dogs. I think she'll have fun doing that. And she just likes to do stuff with us. She likes to be a part of the family. And then I'm gonna add some glitter. So I got this black glitter one, Black Magic. I got a green glitter shadow, Mermaid. I got Bling Bling, it's a silver sparkly one. I got a dark blue one, and it's Ocean Eyes. Pretty. A purple one, Purple Rain. I got this liquid glitter eyeshadow, 24 karat gold. And the last one I got was a metallic one. It's Galaxy. I might try that one today. I also got this No Budge shadow stick in Blue Steel. Try this one. It's a pretty brown metallic color. I'm just going to apply it my eyelid. It's not my favorite. I do like their glitter ones though. Maybe this, I don't know. This color maybe doesn't work for me. Actually, I'm going to use a little bit of the Luminous Putty Primer and just put it where I usually highlight my face. Foundation, and I'm going to use my e.l.f. foundation. e.l.f. Flawless Satin Foundation. I can feel on the back of my hands. Oh, I should go wet sponge. I wet that, and it's double the size now. So I'm just going to take that and start blending that in all over my face. And the shade I am using is Sand. And this one is not a new product. I've had used this product for a few years. I like this foundation. I'll blend it in, put some e.l.f. color correcting stick on my spots, and go in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer under my eyes. I'm just going to take that concealer brush, blend that out. I'm just going to go in with a darker concealer to cover this up. Blend that in with the sponge. I really like this concealer. It has good coverage, but also is hydrating under the eyes at the same time. I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. Jelly Highlight in the color Bubbly. And this is it. I've not tried this yet. I'm going a little too much. It's not very jelly, it's very liquidy. I'd say it's a very nice lightweight highlight. It's nothing like, it's just a nice slight glow to the face. The e.l.f. Electric Mood highlight and the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Glow Stick makes a more wet look on the face, I'd say. Describe it. It smells like watermelon. It's good. And then this one is like very glowy and shimmery. Super glowy now. I'm going to do my Putty Bronzer, and I got the Putty Bronzer brush to try out. My Putty Bronzer is in the shade Honey Drip. I've had this and I've tried it a couple times, but it is fairly new. I do like this brush to apply it. It's easy to do a contour. And then I'm just going to go in with the sponge and make sure that's all blended. Next, I'm going to do the Putty Blush. I got the shade Fiji, and I haven't tried their blush. Very cute. I'm going to use, I think it's a stippling brush to do that, and just tap. And I like to do it across my nose a little bit. I'm going to blend that in with the sponge. Go over it. It's very nice and easy to blend in. Under my eyes, e.l.f. Light Pink Halo Glow Setting Powder. The rest of the face, I'm going to use the Flawless. It does give some coverage to the face. I'm not sure how I feel about it. Don't think I have an e.l.f. bronzer besides the Putty Bronzer. I think I'm just gonna keep it like that. I found another eyeshadow. This is the Moon Color Liquid Metallic. I'm gonna do highlight, and I have this e.l.f. Glow Gleam Beam, and I'm going to take a highlight brush and take this champagne one right here. I'm just gonna use my finger and take that and done my nose. This one, my finger, just add it to the eyelid a bit. And then I'm gonna also take a little bit of the white one to the inner corner. Lastly, I have brows and mascara to do. I'm gonna spray my face first. And I got the e.l.f. Glow Dewy Mist. This is my old one, but I picked up a new one because this one's almost out. I like this. Super glowy. I'm just gonna go over my face. e.l.f. Wow Brow Neutral Brown Gel for my eyebrows. Just gonna apply a little to my brows. Just brush them up. I'm going to apply mascara. I have the e.l.f. Volumizing Big Mood mascara. I got the e.l.f. Brow Lift in clear. And I also got the brush for the applique. Oh, interesting. It's like jelly. I'm just dipping that in. I really like that. It doesn't dry like flaky. I like that brow stuff. That is great. I think it was like $3 or something. $6. I don't know. A lot cheaper than some other ones. I'm gonna apply this e.l.f. matte lip color in Natural. That's a little light for me. I'm gonna apply Praline over top. I'm going with e.l.f. Plumping Gloss. I have a couple more items that I got. So, as I mentioned, I got a new one of this, the e.l.f. Dewy Glow Mist. I got the Electric Mood / Tauve Low Disco Glitz Brow and Eye Kit. It has brow pomade, glitter, paste, and a brush. I'll try that out soon. And then I got the e.l.f. Solid Sponge Cleanser with charcoal because I need a new makeup brush cleanser. Almost out. And then last thing I got was this e.l.f. Skin Dope Dream Sleeping Mask, Hemp Cannabis Sativa. And you just put it on at night and sleep with it on. I'm gonna try that out, see how it works. I'm gonna take my hair down now. Let's see how they look. That looks really cute. I think it looks good. It turned out well. Heatless curls. If you guys want me to do a tutorial on this, I can. This is my look for today using all e.l.f. products. I really like the brow stuff. Probably new favorite brow product, even though I just tried it, but I like it a lot. The eyeshadow, it turned out okay. I don't really know if I love that color, the Galaxy one, for my skin tone. But I am going to try all these other colors that I got. So, we'll continue with that. Putty Blush was really pretty. I like that, and you can build it up nice and easily. The jelly highlight was okay. I mean, it definitely gave you like a dewy pop, but it wasn't like anything crazy. I like the e.l.f. Hydrating Primer Serum. I'll be using this more often for sure. The eyeshadow brushes are okay. They're a little stiff for my preference. I like them a bit softer. They work fine as an eyeshadow brush. And I did like the eyeshadow palette. I like all the nude colors. Very nice and pretty. And I'll try this and some of the other products and get back to you on how I like them. That's my e.l.f. haul / get ready with me today. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye!